Start. Having heard learned counsel for the appellant as well as the respondent, and having bestowed our serious consideration to the respective submissions, the various decisions relied upon, and the provisions contained in the Partnership Act, the Interest Act, Civil Procedure Code, and Arbitration Act, we are of the view that the submissions of Mr. Dhruv Mehta, learned senior counsel for the appellant, merit acceptance. Stop para. To appreciate the respective submissions and in support of our conclusion, at the very outset, Section 69 requires to be noted. Stop. No suit to enforce a right arising from a contract or conferred by this Act shall be instituted in any court by or on behalf of any person suing as a partner in a firm against the firm, or any person alleged to be or to have been a partner in the firm, unless the firm is registered and the person suing is or has been shown in the register of firms as a partner in the firm. Stop para. No suit to enforce a right arising from a contract shall be instituted in any court by or on behalf of a firm against any third party, unless the firm is registered and the persons suing are or have been shown in the register of firms as partners in the firm. Stop para. The provisions of subsections 1 and 2 shall apply also to a claim of set off or other proceedings to enforce a right arising from a contract, but shall not effect the enforcement of any right to sue for the dissolution of a firm or for accounts of a dissolved firm, or any right or power to realize the property of a dissolved firm, or the powers of an official assignee, receiver, or court under the Presidency Towns Insolvency Act 1909 or the Provincial Insolvency Act 1920 to realize the property of an insolvent partner. Stop para. To firms or to partners in firms which have no place of business in the territories to which this Act extends, or whose places of business in the said territories are situated in areas to which by notification under Section 56 this chapter does not apply, or to any suit or claim of set off not exceeding 100 rupees in value, which in the Presidency Towns is not of a kind specified in Section 19 of the Presidency Small Cause Courts Act 1882 outside the Presidency Towns is not of a kind specified in Schedule 3 to the Provincial Small Cause Courts Act 1887, or to any proceeding in execution or other proceeding incidental to or arising from any such suit or claim. Stop. Though some of the decisions which were cited before us dealt with Section 69(3) of the Partnership Act, in the instance we wish to analyze the said subsection along with the other components of the said Section 69, when we read subsection 3 of Section 69 carefully, we find that, as rightly contended by Mr. Dhruv Mehta, learned senior counsel For the appellant, the provisions of subsections 1 and 2 have been impliedly incorporated in subsection 3. Stop. When the opening set of expression in subsection 3 states that the provisions of subsections 1 and 2 shall apply, there is no difficulty in accepting the said submissions of learned senior counsel for the appellant that the entirety of the said two subsections should be held to be bodily lifted and incorporated in subsection 3. Stop.